Hey guys, how's it going? Onionmanhd here, and today we're taking a look at a USB condenser microphone. It is by a company called Fifine, F-I-F-I-N-E. They were kind enough to send this mic over for me to test out, so yeah, let's check it out. Okay guys, so let's just jump right into this microphone. This is the K683A, I believe that's right. K683A, yep. It is by a company called Fifine. They specialize in microphones and just different audio gear. It's mostly microphones, looks like from their website. Let's see what's in the box here. They were kind enough to send this mic over for me to test out. Pull the box off here. Now, when you get inside, you get a little promotional bookmark thing. You also get a user guide. And we got a black box on one side, it looks like. Nope, that's part of the box. Okay, we'll take the microphone off first here. This microphone is a solid metal construction. You have your gain volume knob thing here to adjust the gain on the fly. And then you also have a dedicated mute button, which apparently is new to this microphone. It wasn't on the previous models. You also have a headphone jack on the back. I don't know if you can see that or not. It also has a mount to go onto a boom arm or a tripod. You actually get a tripod in here. Should be in this. Oh yeah, it is a black box. Okay, put that main box to the side. This should be all the accessories. So yeah, you got your little tripod stand here with this nasty plastic. Let's get rid of that. This is actually a solid stand too. It's a 3-prong. And it sits on your desk. Has rubber feet, so it's not going to slide anywhere. And this just screws into the microphone. Got your microphone and stand together there. There's also a couple other things here. You get a USB cable, because it does plug into your computer. Apparently you can also plug into a PS4 for a microphone as well. If you stream on your PS4, or if you are just wanting to use it for chat, maybe you have a nice pair of headphones you want to wear, doesn't have a mic, you can use this. And so it has, looks like almost like a printer cable end that plugs into the microphone. So that goes into the microphone end. And then the other side, it's a nice long cable too, so that's kind of nice if you're gonna run it underneath your desk or something. The other side has your regular USB as well as the option for a USB-C, because it's apparently supposed to work with PC, Mac, and PS4. So whether or not you use the USB-C on your Mac or on your Windows laptop or something, maybe even have a USB-C on your desktop, you can use that as well. What else is in the box here? Looks like we got an adapter for a boom arm. Okay, that's a nice touch. There's a little threaded adapter, little brass adapter you can use to connect to a boom arm if this doesn't fit on there for that connector. I do have a boom arm, so I might try that. And then we also have a pop filter, just one of those ones that slides on top of the microphone here. See if this fits. I think that's how it's supposed to go. Yeah, something like that. So that's everything that's in the box here for the unboxing part of this video. I'm going to plug this into my computer, and then we're going to test out what this mic sounds like. Okay guys, so basically what you want to do for setting up the microphone on a computer, you plug it into the USB, whether it's the USB-C or the regular USB, And then you want to just let your computer update the files for that microphone. Once it's done, it'll recognize the microphone as the Fifine mic. Then you want to go into your whatever you're using to record it, whether it's Elgato or Audacity like I'm going to use here. You choose the microphone you want. Go to the K683A microphone. Choose that one. And then you should be able to record right away. So I'm going to switch to the other microphone now, and we're going to just test the difference between my shotgun mic that I'm using here versus the Fifine. I have my microphone hooked up to my computer, and we're going to just test the sound here with this microphone. So I'm going to switch from my shotgun mic on my camera to the Fifine microphone right here. I am going to be recording in Audacity, in case you're wondering. So let's click record. Hey guys, how's it going? Onionmanhd here. And let's just turn up the gain a little bit, see if that makes a difference. It is all the way to the top right now. Looks like it's not peaking too badly, but I'm also not speaking super loud. Hello, what's going on? Yeah, it looks like it might peak a little more. Turn it down to about half. It's a little bit quieter now probably. We're gonna hit the microphone mute button on the mic here in 3, 2, 1. Turning it back on now. You probably can hear me perfectly fine now. And yeah, there we go. That is the microphone testing here quickly. Just switching back to this mic now on my shotgun mic. I just did the test here. I'm gonna go just listen back to this and just kind of see how it sounds compared to the other one. And then I will give my impressions and my final thoughts on this microphone. Okay guys, so I thought I would do the rest of this review with this new microphone, the Fifine K683A. My thoughts on this microphone, from what I could hear, it actually sounds quite good. Most of the time my shotgun mic picks up the sound from my computer. That's kind of why I have these blankets over it, because I always got to cover it up. Whereas this one, from what I could hear, I couldn't really hear much of the computer at all, which was really, really good to see. I like the design of it. I love that it's metal. That's really awesome. It has easy enough cable. I know I've used a mic like theirs, or from this company, a couple years ago. Didn't really like it. It was, I think, on their cheaper end models, and the connector wasn't very good. It had a bad connection, but this one is way better. And the fact that it has USB-C and the regular USB kind of gives you options, which is awesome. The mute function is nice, especially for people like if they want to stream, they can just mute it if they want to go get a snack or a drink or something. They don't have to have all the noise while they're doing that, which is kind of nice. The pop filter looks good. Looks very similar to one my brother has from Audio Technica, which is a very clean and minimalistic look. Yeah, not much to complain about it. Basically, maybe the only thing is, I would say get a boom arm for this thing. It would just hold the mic better and doesn't have to take up room on your desk. Other than that, I don't have anything wrong with it. It's a very good looking mic and it sounds pretty decent. This mic goes for around $71 Canadian. I think that's around 55 bucks American. I will put links to this microphone down below in the description from Amazon, as well as Fifine's website as well, if I can find them. And thank you for Fifine for sending this mic out to me. That's really awesome. And as always, guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more gaming and tech content like this. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.